Let's learn how to solve this question from JEE Advanced 2014. We have to find the number of solutions of this equation. And we can see that in the given equation, we have sine x, sine 2x, and sine 3x terms. And we would like to convert all of them to sine x. So let's do that. So we have sine x plus 4 sine x cos x minus 3 sine x plus 4 sine cube x equals to 3. And we can take sine common now. So we will have minus 2 plus 4 cos x plus 4 sine square x. And further, this sine square x we can convert it into cos. So let's do that. Minus 2 plus 4 cos x plus 4 minus 4 cos square x equals to 3. And we can take 2 common from this equation. So we will have 2 sine x into 1 plus 2 cos x minus cos square x equals to 3. And now we can see that the left hand side has sine x and cos x terms. And since we have to find the solution, the ideal way is that we want to reduce left hand side to have only one function, either sine or cos or some other. But it seems like in this particular equation, it's not very easy, because if we write sine in the form of cos, then we will have an under root term, which is going to be very complex to solve. Similarly, if we write cos to the sine, again we will have under root term. So we will not do that. What else we can do? We can see that in the bracket equation, this term we can convert it into a whole square. So let's do that. So we have sine x 1, and I take minus 2 common, because then we will have cos square x term in the positive, and we add 1 by 4, and since we subtracted minus half, so we add 1/2, and this is equal to 3 by 2. So we have sine x into 3 by 2 minus 2 into cos x minus half whole square equals to 3 by 2. And we can again take 2 common from the left hand side. So we will have sine x into 3 by 4 minus cos x minus half square equals to 3 by 4. And it seems like we cannot further simplify this equation, and we have to look for the solution using just this equation. And we can see that there is 3 by 4 here and 3 by 4 here, so there is some link. So let's use the minimum and maximum value of these two terms to find the number of solutions. We know that sine x is less than or equals to 1, and 3 by 4 minus cos of minus half square will be less than or equal to 3 by 4. And therefore, the maximum value of left hand side will be 1 into 3 by 4, which is equal to right hand side only when sine x is 1 and cos x is equal to half. And sine x equals to 1 means x should be pi by 2, and cos x equals to half means that x equals to pi by 3. And these are not possible. Therefore, this equation has no solutions. And that's it. If you liked this solution, consider subscribing this channel. Watch other videos on this channel to learn how to solve JEE Advanced questions.